ready.
Hi.
Hey-chan!
How you doing?
Hey-chan! How you
Yay.
doing?
I'm so good, and I saw your good performance, amazing performance
Thank
in
you.
LA.
Thank you. Yay.
You're amazing, and happy birthday to you. Yay.
Thank you. It's my birthday, yatta.
I definitely wanted to say congratulations to you because you always want to dedicate to whole life groups. Yeah, in a many ways. So thank you so much. いっぱいコラボもね、しましたよね、今年。
はい、そうですね。I think your English is getting better again. It keeps on
Right?
getting better, yeah. Damn.
How about your Japanese?
まあ、私の日本語はそうですね。そうですね。
Yeah, I saw your summer live stream.
It was
Yeah.
fun. I think I always need a little bit of time after not speaking Japanese for a while to get back into it because in the beginning it will be a little bit katakoto.
Right?
それは仕方ないですね。でもちょっと喋ったら、
Japanese memory channel is getting after starting the live stream, right?
I think it can. I can never forget Japanese, but it's just like it gets a bit rusty sometimes. えいちゃん、can I ask you
でもすご
something?
い。
気になってたこと、some people, actually within our EN members, we saw some pictures of Yagoo, and we were like, is he okay? Like, is he eating fine? Because he's so thin. Everybody's like worried.
So you mean the anime expo, right?
Yeah, like all the pictures we see recently of Yagoo, he's so thin. He lost so much weight. We're very concerned.
No. He wants to keep his fit. Don't worry. And I've heard he runs every morning. Every morning.
I know. He told me in Holotalk.
Right?
Yeah.
I see. And he has been learning every morning for a long time. Maybe your last whole talk with Yago. When do you remember?
Last year. Oh, I don't know
last
when,
year.
but long time ago. So yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
long time, right?
but still, he looks so thin. Do you ever go eating with Yago?
I've heard その前にそういえば私名乗ってない。
大丈夫。Aちゃんってみんな分かってる。Everybody knows.
I'm Achan for life stuff and speaking of which, Yago, I've heard he only eats salad or chicken, not very healthy foods to keep fit. But I don't know why he wants to lose weight because he looks very thin, right? Already.
Yeah.
でも言ってましたそうだ。ちょっと健康になろうと思ってエクササイズしたら痩せすぎたって。
Wow.
Yeah, right. So maybe he wants to gain a little bit weight, I think. Now he's thinking.
But I don't know if he will ever hear this, but Yago-san 心配してます。ちゃんとご飯食べてください。ちょっと痩せすぎじゃないかなってみんな心配してました。
Okay, let
Yes.
him know
Yes,
your
please.
concern, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
I
thank
got
you.
Yeah. Anyway, happy birthday, and I
Thank
hope
you.
your